What's going on, guys? B7 Mike. We're back today with a product overview of our 000 HSP 01 to 10 hot side intercooler pipe. This is going to fit your 01 to 10 Duramax. Whether you're a B7 guy like me, you got an LLY, an LBZ, or an LMM, this pipe's going to work for you. What I like to talk about with this piece is the size and the overall design. We've increased the size from factory, going from 2 1/4 to 3-inch mandrel-bent tube here. One of the big things that I like to share though is the factory boot at the intercooler connection that's prone to fail has a nasty angle to it, where with ours, it's gonna enter that intercooler at a straight shot. So 2 1/4 to 3-inch coupler at the turbo connection, and then a 3x4 straight connection at the intercooler. So for the 01 to 10 Duramax guys out there, eventually your stock pipe, it's gonna fail you. Whether it fails at the coupler that's not serviceable separately, or real common is the steering shaft will rub a hole through, causing a massive boost leak. Obviously no power, no fun, no boost, nobody wants that. With our design, it's serviceable. We back everything with a lifetime warranty, especially our couplers. So God forbid if one of these boots were to fail you, you reach out to your sales guy, B7 Mike here, and I'm gonna send you a new one at no charge. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up the product overview of our 000 HSP hot side. For more information, be sure to follow us on YouTube, hit up any of our authorized distributors, check out the website, call us, email, you know what to do guys. Your boy B7 Mike, till next time.